Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome's File System Access API. Step by step, fully updated for 2026. This API allows websites to read and write files directly on your device with your permission. While convenient, it's important to manage it properly to protect your privacy and security. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Site Settings. Scroll down to Additional Permissions and click File System Access. Here you'll see the main setting that controls whether websites can request access to your local files. To enhance security, toggle it to Don't allow sites to read or write local files automatically. This ensures websites must ask for your permission every time before accessing files. Next, manage exceptions. Under Allowed or Blocked, you can add specific websites. For instance, you may allow trusted productivity tools or cloud editors, but block unknown or suspicious sites. You can also review sites that already have access. Go to chrome://settings/content/file system access to see all sites with granted permissions. Revoke access from any site you no longer trust. For developers, the File System Access API is useful for building web apps that interact with local files. Always prompt users correctly, request access only when necessary, and respect granted permissions to maintain security. Finally, restart Chrome after making changes. This ensures your new settings take effect immediately. And that's it. By controlling the main toggle, managing exceptions, reviewing granted permissions, and following best practices, you can safely use Chrome's File System Access API while keeping your data secure. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.